Angry Birds Star Wars, and I don't really know why I'm playing this. Well, no, yeah, I'm just playing it because I just was looking on the app, and I wanted to look up some new games to play for YouTube, and I just figured I want to play this. But anyway, let's just get straight into it. No more talking. I guess we have to start out here. I don't really want to watch the video. Please don't make me. Never mind, I will watch the video. Yes. And I haven't been uploading much. I'm sorry about that. I will be uploading once a day. I was just like doing other stuff. I wasn't like available. Whatever. Look, I know how to play Angry Birds. I just don't really play it much. But I'm gonna close that though. Is there like I never really played this that much. I never like really played this, so I'm not sure how. Like I know you can like I did play it once, but I never really like played the whole game. Like I never really tried passing the whole game. Okay, I know this happens. Yay, 3 stars. Well, actually, that's not surprising. Everyone gets 3 stars. Why are there ads? That's what I hate about Angry Birds. Wait, I hate about any games. There's always ads. Okay, I'm gonna try pressing the screen and if any effects happen, because I remember in the original Angry Bird games, effects happen if you press the screen. I'm not sure if anything happens, because I just tapped the screen and nothing happened. Look. I don't know. Please kill him. Oh, you killed him. That's nice. Really nice. No, it's really bad actually. Never kill people. Okay. 1 star. No. Not cool. But okay, these are effects you can use, I bet. Yeah, these are effects like I think these are like stuff to make it easier for you to win. Let me try one of them out. I don't really know what they all do. I don't even know what they do. I think this one gives you a new leg. I'm not sure. What's this? Okay, I'll use that. So I think you tap the screen and they shoot. Oh no, you don't have to tap the screen, it just shoots. Okay, nice. Like, I did play Angry Birds, but I never played this one before. So this is new to me, this one. Well, it's not really new because I played this. Well, I played it before. I know you have to like slingshot, but I don't know like all the effects you can use. Like, when you go in here, I didn't know it uses like all that. Anyways, let's still kill him. Never mind, won't kill him. That? Yeah. Please die. Will you die? Wait, I think it will die, look. Oh no, never mind. No, it won't die. I really want to use all of this out. I think I used it wrong. No, didn't use it wrong. I killed him. Thanks. Okay, okay, nice. 4 minutes and 2 stars? No. Okay, next stage, I guess, or something like that. I don't know. When I tap on the screen, do they do special effects now? one did a special effect. I don't know what it did though. Was it like the fourth? I actually have no idea what I just did there. Yeah, I'm really bad at this sometimes. No. Not now. Okay, now how am I gonna get him? Okay, what's Angry Birds pop? I don't know. I might play it. What did I just press? No, now after I started. No, I think that gives you a new egg. I'm not sure. I already said that. Ooh. I did not. Yes, it will kill them both, I think. Come on, fall, fall, fall. Please fall. Please fall. Let's not shoot anything. Let's just watch it fall. Done, done. That's how you do it. Just watch stuff fall. Stole the tree. Yeah. I do not care about you, Kool-Aid. I just don't care about you. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, wait. What can Okay, so that guy shoots you. I'm pretty sure that will like. So wait. I need to take out him. He's really mean. So close. Okay, let's do this. Got him. Yes. I still did get hurt, but I don't care as long as I get him. Let me add another egg in because I think that's what it is. I'm not sure. I'm just adding another one in because I think I'm gonna run out. So that's what it does. I couldn't figure out what to do with it before. Please 3 stars. Not even 2 stars. This game is. I need to get out that little guy. I have a technique. No, I actually don't. Wait. Got him without getting hurt. Actually, no, never mind. I got him. No. I wish I could do something like all of them would fall down. Actually, I think I can. Let me just see here. Okay, this should work if it goes as planned. Yes, it did. Yes, it did go as planned. Yes. This thing gets 3 stars. I really want 3 stars. So far, I only got max of 3 stars, actually. I only got 1 star, so... what level is this? Okay, he's sad, of course. He's falling from an edge. Let me try hitting that TNT. How did he not get hit? Yeah. There's a sleeping guy. I'm gonna kill him. Get out of here. Okay, I have 1 more guy left, so I need to make this one count. This. So, oh, I can scroll back. Okay, this is actually helpful. Got him. Got him. That's actually what I was planning to do. Try to hit the TNT and hit him. I got him. So, yeah. Okay, next level, please. Seriously, not even 2 stars? This game. You got a lightsaber, yay. Wait, why should I care? I wonder what the end of this is. Dang it, why did I stab? Dang it. I wonder what the end of this is. Let me see if it works now. Oh, it does, but I used it at the wrong time. Dang it. I didn't actually think it was gonna work. I was just testing to see if anything changed. Well, after this level, I'm just gonna end it. Okay, wait. Got it. I meant to do that, guys. Please say I get 3 stars this time. Please. No, not even 2 stars. Dang it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode on Angry Birds Star Wars. And if you would like to see more of this, hit that like button and comment down below what you like to see next on this channel. And subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye!